Welcome to this Alberni Vista project update. We're here in one of the master bedrooms and you can see this beautiful curved wall that we've got here as a feature of this space. You can see that the drywall is up and we've got mudding taking place as we speak with the crew behind me. Over my right shoulder in this space here, we've got this vast kitchen space that's coming together as well. And you can see it's going to produce quite a stunning feature of this home with a large amount of storage in behind the walls over there. Again, this is a beautiful 2 condo into 1 renovation that we're completing here, which has got significant views over Stanley Park behind me over here. And on a day like today, you can see why we're doing this. Finally, over here, we've installed a space here for a gas fireplace with this beautiful niche alcove for a 100-inch TV for our clients. You can see here we've got this beautiful alcove area for some feature art, which is going to be a centerpiece for people when they come into this condo design here. Coming through into the guest bedroom area, you see our team are hard at work here with the mudding. We've got a guest bathroom in through here, as well as one of the master bathrooms with a shower and a tub. And coming through to this beautifully quiet master bedroom area here with a different side of Stanley Park, you could say. It's going to have a nice relaxing area. Keep an eye on our social media channels for further updates of this exciting project as it comes to completion.